All right, so only got here for the second half of the game. It's 34-13 for Flight, I believe. Range City, the competitor, here at St. Michael's University Schools. Smus, usually just called Smooth as far as I know. Sharon has the ball. I don't know all the players on the team, but I will figure that out soon. There's Palesa in. Short jumper falls. And that's 36-13. I don't have the live stream up and going, so this is all high definition recorded because I can't get any reception here. All right. Range City down by 23 at the beginning of the second half. 2 15-minute halves of play. Turnover goes out. Top. Look at Eva under down low. Bobbles it, goes out. We got Palesa Eva, number 9, the tallest one on the court. Sharon, number 22, Palesa 11. And the other two players, I recognize, is that Evening, I think. Outside shots off. Rebound is off. Nice pass. Capitalizes for 2. It's 38-13. Range City bringing the ball down. If you watch my volleyball feeds and my basketball feeds, you know that filming is very different. Basketball, I gotta keep this camera moving all the time. Sharon from 3, just off to the right. Rebound by Eva. Eva back to Sharon. Tosses inside. There's the post move and finishes. Range City off defensive board by Palesa. She's bringing it up. Dishes. 1-2. Doesn't finish. Range City now on offense. Tied up. Goes back out to the perimeter. Looking for someone to give to, and 15 goes in and doesn't fall. Eva, big toss ahead, nice pass. Wasn't able to finish. We have some substitutions. Ball bounces twice and finish drops. Sharon. Eden, I believe. Eva shoots the 3, drops it. Finishing nicely. And the score is 43-15. Not a close one. Almost a 30-point gap. I do have the roster. I'll just take a picture of. Eden. I think. Right up. Distance to Sharon. Sharon coming in down the center. Drops to Ayla. Ayla for three. Hits the side of the backboard. Hand on mouth. No reaction is the way to go. Tied up. Foul called. It is even. Here comes Rain City. Oh, foul called. A pretty heavy foul there. Number 12. That's Zoe. Turned into a shooting foul. I would have agreed with that. I don't think it was a big discussion, but whatever. Number 6 is Eden. I knew it. Number 1 is Lucy, but I don't see number 1. There's number 1. Lisa Sage, number 9. No, Eva is not Sage. Sage is not Eva. Deep shot. Gotta call that stuff. Sharon's 22. Ayla, number 30. So Eden bring the ball up. Double team. Cows it off to Sage. Sage to Eden. Ayla. Drive. Nice move. No foul called. Nice move, 30. And Rain City inbound. 26-point lead for Flight with less than 10 minutes to play in the second half. Gives up the dribble and now is trapped, but is able to get out of the mess. Rain City moving it inside, double team. That's going to be trouble, and outside shot is off. Ayla rips down the board and is fouled. Nice rebound, 30. Way to pull down the board, 30. There it is to Ayla. Ayla takes one step, dishes off. There's outside shots off. Sharon picks the rebound and finishes. 47-19. Travel call. Fighting for that jump ball. Didn't give it a chance to fight. Got called for travel instead. Sage. Sharon. Sharon cuts in. Drops the short one. Doesn't fall. Up it goes and bounces in. The rim favors Rain City, since I've been here at least. Sage fouled, going to the hoop, she'll shoot 2 on the line. First shot is good.